The Silentsystem 5-channel SX-553 headphones perfectly blend elegance, comfort, and superior audio quality. They are equipped with simple and essential controls, which we've summarized for you in this video tutorial. Use the button on the back of the right ear cup to turn the device on and off. With that same button, you can select the 5 different reception and listening channels, indicated by the various LED lights on the ear cups. Adjust the volume independently via the potentiometer lever for a personalized and pleasant listening experience. Pressing that same lever can also turn off the LED lights on the ear cups. Use the mini jack input located on the left ear cup for a direct wired connection. The SX-553 headphones are ideal for a wide range of applications, including concerts and recording studios, conferences and meetings, festivals and nightclubs, cinema and theaters.